I want to talk to you guys about stiffening bows. And you know what? I'm getting so much grief right now for giving you guys all of these tips and stuff. I posted that tutorial, guys, and I instantly got banned from so many groups and pages of bow maker community pages because I shared with you how to make a bow. I'm not kidding. I had to message somebody and ask them, why did I get banned? And they said it's because you're teaching our customers how to make our product. I was like, what? But you know what? I don't even care, because if it helps you and it makes you feel better, I want to tell you. I want to share this information with you. When you see a bow and it's like hard as a rock and it looks gorgeous, right? Because it's like you wiggle and jiggle and it doesn't move. It just holds its shape and you're like, wow, that is awesome. And it is. It really is. It's really pretty. But it's also not always the best option. So I'm going to explain to you why I don't stiffen my bows. So you'll notice as you build a collection with me, some of my bows are a little stiffer, like things that have a glitter overlay on them or a thick print with like glitter in them. They're a little stiffer, but that's just because of the glitter. That's the way the ribbon is made. I don't stiffen them. That's just the way that ribbon is. The reason I don't stiffen them is because of the way that you do it. So you can use this product called Stiffen Stuff. You can use hairspray. You can use starch. You can use pretty much anything that is made to make things stiff, right? The issue with that is there are allergies. I've had kids with alopecia ordering bows from me who, they already have issues with their hair, and all the extra products would have just made it even worse. So their moms bought bows from me because I didn't use all those chemical products on my bows. So those are the kinds of reasons why I don't stiffen my bows. If you prefer your bows stiffened, I'm going to tell you real quick the easiest way to stiffen your bows. So here's what you do. You set it out. I'd put it on like a towel or something just so like your surfaces don't get all yucky. You can set it out on a counter. Spray that sucker with some hairspray. Whatever hairspray you're using is probably fine. You can get some cheap stuff from the dollar store. Spray it up real good with hairspray. Leave it there until it dries. 24 hours if you want to be safe, but most of the time, depending on like how good of a hairspray it is, you'll be good in like 10-15 minutes. It'll be nice and hard, and you put it in. So that's why I don't stiffen my bows, because of all the chemicals that are used to stiffen bows. Because it's not ideal for everyone, I don't do it to anyone. And it's something I wish that all bow makers would get on board with. I really, really do. I wish every bow maker would see that, kids with asthma and sensitive skin and, hair loss issues, and there's a list of reasons not to put these chemicals on hair products, and yet they still do. So I really, really wish more bow companies would just see the issue there and get on board and say, we're not doing this. This is not okay. Instead, we're going to tell those customers that do want them how they can do it easily and quickly on their own at home. So that the customers who can't have it, not that it's just that they don't want to, they can't, they aren't limited because of it. So there you go, guys. That is it. That is my reason for not stiffening my bows, and how you can do it super fast and super easy and super cheap at home by yourself.